Hello guys, Julia here from Accessorize Your Life. I have a clean the beauty room with me video here, and I just finished vacuuming, and now I'm going to open this package that came in today. Let's see what it is. I got my trusty box opener. I'm getting my room ready for a video that's going up tomorrow. So I'm going to do about 1 or 2 more things to get the room ready, and then that'll be the end of this video. So this box is from Armani. This is how they present. You get your invoice, your packing slip, and then you get samples. I chose 2. I chose the Giorgio Armani perfume in, let me check it out because I do not remember. Well, here it is, right in front of me. Acqua di Gio. And then I have another sample, I thought. Here it is. This one is Armani Code. So this, I think, is the newer one. One of these is very new. And this one looks like it's masculine. Why didn't I just know that that's what this was? I thought this said Armani Giorgio, but it's a fragrance. So let me give this one a little sample. Very nice. Very clean. Kind of masculine. It may be a male fragrance. And let's do this one. This one opened much easier. Armani Code. And it says it's new perfume, and this one is for men. So let me give it a sniff here. I think by it being Father's Day this month. I really like this one. The Code. It has a very powdery scent to it. Whereas the Armani Gio, it's very fresh. And it doesn't say if it's a male or female scent, but you know, you can wear either or. Alrighty, and what did I get? I got 2 blushes from Armani. They're the Melting Color Balm. Neo Nude Melting Color Balm, Cheek and Eyes. So you can use these both ways, in your cheeks and in your eyes. I have to take something to help me open these up. I wish I had a letter file. Don't have a letter file. I have a nail file, but not easy to get to right now. So let's take this part of an ink pen. Will that do it? Ooh, I don't want to rip the box. Yeah. So this is the first one I'm opening. Ooh, cute packaging. I already have one of their blushes here. And a deeper one. Is this a Neo? This is a Neo Nude too, Melting Color Balm. And you can use it on your eyes and cheeks as well. So I'll leave this one that I already have right there. And this one here. It always gets me. These packagings are so sleek. There's the new one. This color, by the way, is, do I see it easily? This one is in 45. Yeah, it just says 45 there. I may have to look, when I do a look with it, I'll have to look into that further. And this one, you know, I got this magnification mirror from the Dollar Tree. Let's see if it's any good. Not yet. Okay, maybe it's helping. Yeah, it just says number 45, Neo Nude Melting Color Balm, Cheek and Eyes, Blush Cream Powder, 45. And the other one is number 30. And I kind of remember this one being a more intense color that would be great for fall and winter. Whereas that one, here's the other one. Open it this way. Ooh, no. I thought I got a red one. Now I did not. I got more of a brown color. So this is a deeper, very kind of a mulberry-ish brown. This is like a little orange color. Ooh, they're so soft. That, I hope you can see it. I'm not sure if I'm in frame. Those are similar. I thought I got a red, but maybe I chose not to get the red. Who knows? But all of them are gorgeous. So I'll add that to my little spinner here of Giorgio Armani products right here. And if I wasn't so lazy, I'd go pick up my other order in Giorgio Armani, but I'm lazy, so I'll save it for another time. But this is a cute little spin that I found at, was it TJ Maxx? They had it, and Home Goods had it. And I thought it would be perfect for my Giorgio Armani products. Don't want my collection to get too large, so that's a good size. This came in handy. Alrighty, so I'm going to put these things in the trash, and the box in the trash from Giorgio Armani. Very simple. Paper says Armani Beauty, and you get your invoice. Okay, now I'm going to do one more thing and then I'll let you go. Alrighty, I'm going to do a little backdrop for this section here for my next video. So I am going to take this fabric and drape it over my, next I want to add this mirror that was in our bedroom over our bed. So I'm going to put it on the wall here. And excuse me, I'm in my pajamas and comfy clothes, but it's going to go up right here. Let me see, I have some greenery on it. Let me stick the nail out some. And I'll pan this area so you can see. That's my backdrop for my next video. I love the mirror and that it's lit there. And that garland was in the closet before. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in to Accessorize Your Life. I appreciate your viewership and your comments down in the comment section. I love you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.